Are you tired of playing a constant game of catch-up with your business finances? Juggling invoices, tracking expenses, and always wondering if you have enough cash on hand to cover the next big bill? What if there was a way to take control, to see your cash flow not just as a murky river, but as a crystal clear stream you can navigate with confidence? That's where Relay comes in. Think of Relay as more than just a bank account. It's a financial command center designed specifically for small businesses. It's about giving you the tools to manage your money proactively, not just reactively. We're talking about a system that helps you forecast your financial future and make smarter decisions today. So, how does Relay help you master your cash flow? It starts with the core feature: multiple accounts. Relay allows you to open up to 20 free checking accounts. Why is this a game changer? It lets you implement a strategy called the profit first method, or any kind of envelope system. You can create separate accounts for operating expenses, payroll, taxes, and, yes, even profit. This way, when money comes in, you immediately allocate it to its specific purpose. No more commingling funds or accidentally spending money that was meant for your tax bill. But Relay goes deeper. Its robust integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero mean that every transaction is automatically categorized and synced. This saves you hours of manual data entry and gives you a real-time, accurate picture of your financial health. You can see exactly where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut costs or improve efficiency. Another powerful feature is the ability to easily send and receive payments. Relay offers unlimited ACH transfers, and you can create virtual debit cards for specific team members or expenses, giving you even more control and visibility. You can set spending limits and track every purchase, ensuring your team stays on budget. The dashboard itself is a work of art. It's clean, intuitive, and provides a clear overview of all your accounts at a glance. You can see your total cash position, track your spending trends, and even set up automated transfers between your accounts to ensure your budget stays on track without you having to lift a finger. This automation is key to stress-free cash flow management. Ultimately, Relay empowers you to stop worrying about where your next dollar is coming from and start focusing on where you're going to put it. It's the difference between being a financial firefighter, constantly putting out small fires, and a financial architect, building a stable, profitable future for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.